What's up, people? What's up, what's up, what's up? It's the afternoon session. Here we are. I'm honestly not loving the structure here. What's up, Rap Connect? It's not my birthday, but thank you for always wishing me a happy birthday. It'll be my birthday in less than 2 months, so that's crazy. That's crazy! I'm gonna be turning 27. That's a good number. It's 3 cubed. 3 to the 3rd power. Is Apex one day passing using my code? Yeah. See. No, it's not my birthday. My birthday's in April. I'm an Aries. People care about that. Some people do. I don't really care. I think that the age of your birth, in regards to your siblings, the birth order matters more than what time of year. I don't know. I'm the middle child. Trump is speaking? Is he speaking now? I saw the tentative thing pop up later at FX or X Factory. Sun sign doesn't mean much without the rest of the chart, says Executioner. I don't feel like I shouldn't be giving you guys the rest of my chart. You guys are gonna be... People already overanalyze me. What happened to my shorts? I got stopped at break even right where market structure shifted, so I'm pretty happy. Can't believe it teased us that much. We want a new low of day. That sucks, but whatever. That's life. Literally, yeah. Got stopped out in this candle, and then that was the shift, and it kind of been zigzagging here. I don't really love the structure here because of I was thinking hoping 130 would do some sort of manipulation, but we really didn't have anything there. I was thinking on this drop when I was watching it happen, I was thinking that maybe it could come back into just take out trendline liquidity there. And then it didn't take out trendline liquidity. I was thinking it could have, ideally, if for more longs, come back, take out some stops here, down into 50% of this leg up, and then gone up higher. It's an ugly drawing, but that's why I always like to use the other thing. This, take this out. There's a little FEG here and then gone like that, but we didn't get that, so whatever. That was my ideal situation. I kind of I'm streaming because I basically said I would if you guys left 900 likes, and I was like, yeah, I have to keep that promise. But even on the other direction, right? Or if it was just displacing, I would have looked for an inversion above this or something like that nature, or yeah. You don't really have anything there. So I don't really love this structure. With ES hitting this low, we have an SMT at the lows there. We could potentially, tomorrow, take out this high again. Because we have a daily fair value gap now. Right? We could potentially take out today's high. tomorrow and then drop lower. Maybe there'll be an SMT there, like at today's high between ES and NQ, because ES is slightly stronger. You see it did go like slightly green today. Maybe like that will happen tomorrow. It's my potential idea there. I don't know if it'll happen today. I mean, I'm still here in case. And the other scenario is like, oh, if it came down and it completely inverted this, then maybe I'd look for shorts to new low day into here. But see, it's not even close to my point of interest there. Please share your standard deviation settings. Sure. Why don't I have NWOG and NDOG on? I don't want to have too much on my charts. Maybe I'll tell you guys because there's not many people on the afternoon stream, so I'll let you guys know. Aries Sun, what is it? Cancer Moon and Scorpio Rising. It's like, what is that? Fire and water. I think that's a good combo. Though I don't follow astrology. Yeah, this is pretty shitty. Like, I honestly feel as though the afternoon's gonna be pretty range bound. See at 2, I'm gonna wait and see like how the 2 p.m. candle like opens, since that's a new 4-hour candle. Alex S says, I hate to diddle in the middle. Yeah, we're literally in the middle of the range, which is the swing low. We're around the middle of this whole leg lower. I don't really love it when at 9:30 we just have like a huge dump. Like, that sucks. Rather those jumps happen at 10. Let's see, ES is a bit stronger. You have a little SMT there, and that's it on the 5. But you're not really getting much movement from this. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if ES didn't leave a 4-hour FEG here, by the way, and Q did. I wouldn't be surprised if ES is a stronger one and takes out like today's high at some point during maybe London session, or honestly probably during London session. Because then I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow I wake up and like, oh, my trade idea is already played out. This is the last like swing low on the 5-minute. During the afternoon, I have various like specific criteria. I'm not really gonna enter a trade unless they're met. Therefore, I'm pretty picky about afternoon trades. Yeah, what are your guys' bias? Bullish, bearish, neutral, / consolidation. Yeah, I put up a poll. Someone said wait until the market on close macro. Nah, I have things to do. I'm gonna see what's up at 2 p.m. See the 4-hour open. I think it's more likely. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna let people vote first. It's already 100 votes in. Most people are bearish. The neutral / consolidation is 32%. Bearish is 42%, and bullish is 28%. I got my headshots back. They came out so good. Super slay. You guys want to see? Sneak peek to the people at afternoon streams. It's like it's a little club. While we wait for 2 p.m. open, right? This is still boring. Oh, it is. It's like it's not doing anything right now. 4 minutes until 2 p.m. open. I'm kind of interested in this 5-minute swing low, but meh, it's not really that great because there's a liquidity pool here, and then we have like sort of equal highs here. I'll see what happens, what the reaction's like. 2 p.m. is here. Dumperoni is funny. Adrian says, "Sweetie, it's a Monday, no news, come tomorrow." Why are you calling me sweetie? I actually don't care. But that's for the Italian guys at the deli. Sweetheart, sweetie. That's what they call me at the deli. So 44% neutral. 44% bearish out of 367 votes. 28% neutral, 28 / consolidation, 28% bullish. How old are you, Tanya? I literally said it at the beginning of the stream, though. I said I'm going to turn 3 cubed in April. What's up, Edgeman? Why is price slow? I don't know what to tell you. I don't love this 5-minute reaction here. We created no displacements here, taking this 5-minute swing low. This is now the 2 p.m. open. This hourly closed, just kind of wicking this. I feel as though it's just going to be ugly. See, the 4-hour just opened. You know, you could have a slow reach up back into this FEG. I don't really have much, I don't really think that the action is going to be good this afternoon. Let's see. Check out Stat Map. There's a new 4-hour opened. Welcome, Dave Goldman, to the Bagel Buddies. Okay. Yeah, even with Stat Map, the distribution, it's just within the day's range. I don't love it. Tanya, when are you coming to Queens? I don't understand that question. How does Stat Map work? So basically it's an indicator from 2 degrees. It's a paid indicator though. And I like it though because it gives you these levels where it could be potential manipulation and distribution based on, they take the data from like the past candles and you can suggest which one. For me, I just do 60 candles. So on the clicks 4-hour, takes the last 4-hour candles and last 60 of them, and using like the mean of it, it's giving you these areas where if it's bullish, this is a potential manipulation level to go to this distribution level, like positive D. Let me see. Can I make this font bigger? I'm always like, oh, here it is. Wait, it's small, not this one. Style. Visibility. Inputs. Labels. Normal. There, that's better. What about large? Huge. Nah, that's crazy. Normal is good. So yeah, it's like a potential area where it could be manipulated to go back bullish to here, versus this could be, it's bearish, an area of manipulation to go back down here. But like I mostly use it to see if there's confluence with my analysis, basically, right? My analysis was like, oh, this could be the potential manipulation area. This 5 minute if it's bullish. It does sort of line up with this, actually. It's 5 minute imbalance below 50%. There's trendline liquidity. But I wanted that to happen like if it was like a fast and furious move from 130, or even from now down to here, and then like a manipulation level. But, you know, I don't really have much expectation because of how this price has been moving now. For anything good to happen. That's how the stat map works if you're interested in trying it. Like, I think the link is in the description. The 2 degrees is indicators. Chart addict, this is very funny. Hello, Tanya. Where are you originally from? You are looking like Balkan beauty. That's funny. Thank you. Dave Goldman says, thank you. Hey, Tanya, in the scenarios where there are multiple fair value gaps, how do you usually determine which one to put an order on? So then if there's multiple ones, I'll like go to a higher time frame. And then also just draw fib, the one that's in discount, just below 50%. Even though there's 2, like, I'll just go in on the first one below 50%, and we'll just make sure my stop accounts for the second one. As long as the RR is good, like, it shouldn't really matter. You should just like make sure that you don't get stopped out if it goes to the second one, you know? Or you could just wait for a reaction there and then look on a smaller time frame. It depends on the time frames. But like, yeah, if there's like 2 stacked ones on 15 minute, I'm waiting for like a 1 minute shift and then getting in. But honestly, drawing a fib many times is just super helpful. Or just drawing I put the GAN box 0 and 50 here. It's like an easy way to draw equilibrium. So then you're not buying in a relative premium and discount, you know? Like for here, it's like, oh, if you're bullish, you shouldn't be buying here. You know? Because you're buying in a premium of this whole leg up. I do consider this whole thing the leg up because, like on the 15, it's not like we made a swing low anywhere. This is the swing low. We didn't make another swing low or displace over a swing high with a fair value gap. It's just making some trend line liquidity here. So this stuff is like not safe. CES here. Oh, anyway, what else was I saying? Chat is different in the afternoon. I'm just like I typically am not reading the chat too much. Tanya, are you Balkan? I'm American. I'm born in the US. But my parents are Croatian. I'm Croatian American. I go there. I do go there often. Most of my family's there. I'm due for another trip, though. I haven't been there. I haven't taken a vacation in 4 years. Yeah, I haven't been there since 2021. Then before that was like 2018, and then before that was 2016. So yeah, should go see my grandma in person. I just Skype her usually. Where do you currently live? New York? Children's question mark, happy face. I don't get that. I don't have children. Arsenal for the EPL, that's what my dad wants. Tanya, next time you vacate, come to Kenya. No, next time I vacation, I'm gonna go see my grandma. I just said it. What's your criteria for trading afternoon? If you break even or lose in the morning, question mark, or if you press your morning wins if afternoon, or do you press your morning wins if afternoon looks good? Well, I feel like that's valuable information. Yeah, my criteria for the afternoon session. Took a few years to develop that. So not sure if I should be giving that out for free here. I've actually said it multiple times though. It's pretty simple. And today is not like I'm not looking like a day where I like want to trade the afternoon. But it's pretty simple. I'm only going to take an afternoon trade on the 5 because it's so much slower and it can take like 2 hours to work out. Unless unless during lunchtime it was a fast move too. And then the most important thing is like the draw on liquidity, is it's still there. So there's been a few times on stream where I've said like, oh, I'm literally looking for 5-minute shift out of here, break a structure and a displacement, I'll go long there because my target's still not hit. That's the most important part, the draw on liquidity. And yeah, I will still take it if I have a loss in the morning or a win in the morning. That shouldn't affect you too much, unless you have too much of a loss in the morning and you think that your performance is off. But why would that affect me? If the criteria is there, I have to take the trade and let the probability play out, right? In fact, it might even be like better in the afternoon because then it's a low resistance run and my target wasn't hit in the morning. That happened a couple times. Or like where I had to flip bias and like, okay, I'm waiting until I'm for sure my bias is wrong, and then like I'm waiting for that retracement, and that's that. But here we're not getting it. We're not getting anything great here. Do I believe in love? Yeah, okay. What are we talking about? Saudi Arabia in the chat? I know she'll ignore my comment. I have no idea. The chat, like, I can't read the entire chat. It's impossible. Ivar or Gorchitsa? I honestly don't know what the second one is. I like Ivar. Anya, do you like chocolate? Yeah. My chart is cringe. Thank you. So most of you guys are bearish. And then now it's actually 30%. So now neutral / consolidation is 27%. That's honestly, I'm ending the poll right there. I think that's more likely to happen and people are going to get wrecked. For the afternoon session, I do have a set list of criteria like Matt. Yeah. Matt's a good guy. I've met him in person a couple times. He's a funny guy. Oh. See, ES is lower? No. Look at this, how ES is much stronger there. You're not breaking any lows here with any displacements. It's pretty ugly. I'll answer a few more questions and then I'm probably gonna head out. Matt who? Matt Lober, he's cool. Sniper. Mohammed Asif, yeah, that's true. Okay, how do I prevent green / red background on my GAN box for premium discount? Like you just click background, uncheck it. There you go. Turn lime green for a green day. Dude, I don't know where my remote went. I had a remote for this. Maybe I did clean up and I put stuff in the closet. I got some wall panels in the mail actually. It didn't even fit in the elevator, so I have to figure that out. Like the box wouldn't fit, so I think I have to open it up downstairs. But anyway, my handyman's gonna install it for me. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna put some wooden like flutes there. And then I also bought a bookshelf. And I don't know, maybe I can ask my handyman to put that together for me. Because I hate doing that stuff. And I think tomorrow my YouTube plaque should be arriving finally. So I can do the unboxing video and then I can hopefully, put up a bookshelf there, put it in the background too. RF453, that's funny. Forever, what's your male / female percentage of viewers? 90% male, 10% female. That's actually higher female than other YouTubers. Typically, it's like around 95%. I think on regular videos, it's actually 95% or 93% men. That's on par with other male YouTubers as well. Just trading is 95% men. How old are you? I said it already. Yeah, I like the 2022 mentorship the best. You do remember, you guys, all of you guys clicked OK and yes in the live chat for the guidelines of this channel. It says please stick the subject to trading, right? Why are you asking me about like countries and religion? Why does it matter? And it's like I don't even have enough of knowledge to form an opinion on many matters. I have enough to form an opinion on my bias. Let me think here. What was I going to do? I forgot. I like 2022 mentorship the best. Mohammed, I already said that's true. Why you stop spamming? Stop spamming, please. Tanya, do you like Trump PA or Joe Biden PA? I like the Trump PA. It's just a matter of getting a little bit more accustomed to it. And Joe Biden PA is fine too. You have to be flexible as a trader. Attila asks, could you please share some trading psychology tips? I tend to close out my profitable trades and way too early. I like The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. That's my favorite book for psychology. Yeah, I don't love that we're not displacing. That sucks. So it's just a boring ass day here on the 5. What book was it? Yeah, Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. What's the Super Bowl low? It's February 9th low. Or Monday, February 10th, whatever. February 10th low. It's the low that was during the Super Bowl. We just, kept running up higher and higher. I just don't remember. What happened? NQ could not get above previous day low. Even so here, this move lower is pretty boring. I don't really anticipate another, I don't know. I'm not really anticipating so much of a large range in the afternoon, but 4 hours here. Mm-hmm. This is an immediate rebalance, probably. Kind of. Anyway, let's see what happens. There's, nothing for me right now. Kind of interested in this area, what happens here. The tiniest. Okay. Is Trump speaking right now? Good afternoon, Voltron. Oh, hi, Mike. How are you? I recognize you. That's good. Stick with your process. Hope you're doing well too. What part do I live in New York City? I live in the rat's nests. Pablo Escobar, what and when was your first trade ever? Nicola? In, I think June 2020. Nicola. D-SPAC. Crazy trade. Went all the way up to like $70. I traded that all the way up there to there. That was my first trade. Quite a way to start. And then the Trevor Milton, the CEO, the founder of Nikola, is in a prison for frauding, yeah, for fraud, because they literally, like, what was it? They pushed the truck like down a hill or something. But I don't care. I wasn't an investor. I was traded it. Remember when there was a new SPAC every week? Yeah, of course, because I traded all of them. IPO B, IPO C, IPO F, GSAH. Mm-hmm. You know, how many times do we just close below a low without displacement? Like twice. Once here, another here. I don't like the action. So Kurt says, I admire your ability to deal with all the criticism and hate you sometimes get in your chat. It's part of the game. You're only a target if you're worth something, right? But yeah, not everyone can do that. I'm fine with it. Some people hate watch me. Most people are nice. If it gets bad, though, then it's hard to remember that. I think there's just a lot of ego in the trading world, right? Everyone wants to be the best, so, you know, I'll even trigger some other streamers. What can I do? Nothing. It's not anything I can do about that. So, don't care. Hey, Tanya, if the market starts reversing, going up, what would I look for? I would need, like, displacement. That's what I would need. And also, I would like it to get into here. You know? Not this boring, slow grind lower. I'm getting too many. text messages. Okay. Thanks, Beach, and thank you, Voltron. This is like kind of a slow-moving afternoon session. Nothing for me to get involved, really. So let me just do some analysis for like in the future, for future price action. ES hit this low and Q didn't hit this yet. On the daily, did one large down day on Friday. Today's a continuation. Not so much of a large day, though. Let's see. Tomorrow, what's the news? What's the news tomorrow? There's no red folder news. It's just 10 a.m. moderate news. Okay. That's what I would like, honestly, is that. We'll see. But that's my preference. My preference for, yeah, price action from now, I do prefer that ES takes out this high into the daily fair value gap. Just saying ES because it's stronger. It'll be fine if NQ did it as well, but it would also be fine if there was like a divergence there. SMT. I kind of anticipate these are kind of flat highs. So, and also there's an hourly bullish FEG here. Are we tapping into it yet? Not yet. I anticipate, we'll see if this happens, but like maybe overnight this. And then tomorrow, continuation lower. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for probably tomorrow. I don't like any of the structure in the afternoon. Like literally, if you look at the 5, it's very slow. And even so, like with this is like how I would want to be, how the structure look like. Let me see. It was a day I did go long in the afternoon. Where was it? It's Thursday. Okay. Was it Thursday? Oh, it was like this Thursday. We went back too far. Was it Wednesday? It was Thursday. Yeah. Because at least with this price action, you see that on the 5-minute, there's plenty of FEGs. But anyway, I was looking for this high to get taken with a fair value gap, and then I went long in here, basically. I live streamed it. I got super close to getting stopped out, didn't, held it. partialed, and then the rest got closed automatically for me because I wasn't even home. I went to go take my headshots there. But that's just like an example. Even here, right? Here I added in it. Why? Because there was like a 5-minute inversion. There was still displacements here on the upside here too, on the 5. So here we're just like so different. It's just so slow. Yeah, I already knew I wouldn't like it, honestly. I kind of streamed just to share my opinion on that. Today's Monday, and we got plenty more days to trade. Just wanted to see who wants to see one of the headshots I took. Sick. Really good. Do you have a trade Zella code? Yeah. All the codes are like in the link in the description. Trade Zella is, I think, Tanya 20. And if you want the yearly, it's Tanya 30. Is that a mugshot? No, I have never. I'm a YouTuber that has not been arrested yet. Never say never. Because being arrested doesn't mean you're guilty. Someone could come after you. You never know. No, I'm not changing careers, but thank you. But that's it. I'm not going to be trading this. I feel like I answered a few questions. Show us another one. That's funny. Sure. Let's see. Yeah, that one was very serious. Let's see. Oh wow, my dentist is calling me. I have to tell him to actually not. I can't go tomorrow, so anyway. I mean, you guys will see the other ones eventually. Have a good afternoon, and yeah, don't be a degenerate today. It looks like shitty price action. But I did stream for you guys. Good luck and good trading. See you back tomorrow, 9:15.